Hello guys, welcome today for a brand. Yeah, so we can start. So again, let's start today's week, new month, and yeah, so everything is new, and we'll be planning to pass our TopStep account, which we are at 1,051,400, around 500, and we have around 1,696 as a total drawdown. I need to make 51,000, 53,000 as the profit target, and yeah, I'm also trading a 25K account which has around 1% loss. I am risking 1% per trade, and I am making 2% as the default RR. My RR would be 1:2, and in this live we'll be going through each pair, and the pairs which I am trading are EURUSD, USDJPY, gold, as well as crude. And this one I'll be planning for the amount of quantity which I need to do. And now we are currently in the which session, Frankfurt session, and the London will start soon in like 4 minutes. So that's that, and we'll get started. So let's start with the analysis of EURUSD, and we'll be marking two parts. The first one would be the current trend, which would be in 15 minutes, and the second one would be in the higher time frame, which I'll basically be taking care of H1, and this one would be HM15. There will be two. So let's go, and this direction would be, I consider, as the trending scenario, and this would be providing me with a higher moment. So yeah, so let's go with the weekly. What happened in the previous week? It has been a this has been a doji candle in the gold, in the EURUSD. Yeah, we'll go with this here. It has been a doji, and after that, and also we need to know whether do we have the news, but I don't think so. We have a news today, so we don't need to look for that. And then we'll go for the daily time frame, and we can see that it is clearly bullish in the daily. It has taken this high, create a breakout structure, and we can see that in the 4 hour definitely it is bullish. We can expect some reaction here in this section, as it's been an inducement point and it has created a low, and that's that in the H4 and in the H1, where we mostly try to trade. We have all these things, we don't need that, we just need certain things. Yeah, this has happened. We have this inducement happening here, created a strong reaction, and this strong reaction went through with this and took the liquidity from here, respected the FEG, and created another bullish moment. So this is a clear inducement. In the H1, took the retracement, came back up. It's good, still in bullish. So definitely in EURUSD H1 is bullish, simple as that. And we have this kind of an order block available here. To check if it is order block, we need this low to be lower than this one, and we can see that. Oh yes, it has been an order block. We will be taking care of this as an order block. We have an FEG in the H1 time frame, also H4 time frame. Yeah, we have this whole region to look for, but yeah, that's that. And now let's look at the left side and see what has the price done in the previous time. So this has been an inducement point, and this gave a strong reaction to the downside, and this has been taken care of. The price is clearly bullish. We definitely don't need to go for shorts here. Okay, so that's that. Now we look for in the 15 minutes time frame, and let's see what's happening. We get this. The Asia high was taken care in the M15, We have a FEG down here, which is M15. We have, so we can see that clearly it is bullish. We definitely don't need to go for longs. Okay, now in 15 minutes, what do we want to go for buys? Simple as that. Either here or here or here. This place I will not go for longs. I will not go for long because it's already broken out. We need the price to come back up and we can take the trade. And here, as per this since it has taken out, this can be considered as an inducement where it took the price, went up. It did not create any big FEGs. That's a sad thing. But in lower time frame, yeah, it does have a FEG down here, a small FEG. Now the next question is whether it has taken this FEG. Yeah, so it is bullish and the market has opened 1 minute before. Now let's go with the gold. Let's see what gold is telling us. Is it happy with us or is it not happy with us? We'll go with the daily, and daily it has completely, let's move that, taken out. Gold is in all-time high, created a breakout structure. We have this FEG down here in the daily and in the weekly. Weekly also it's clearly bullish. We can expect sometimes the price to come down. Maybe it goes up, then in the previous week it can come down. That's one scenario. Now let's see in the 4 hour. Oh, 4 hour we have too many things. Okay, we have too many things. We don't care about these stuffs. It is a good thing to be marking though. We'll mark it. We have a, just a sec. Oops, it seems that I have not been sharing the screen. I'm sorry about that. So again, since nobody has watched, it's not a biggie. Anyway, that's that. And now anyway, it's all the same. We're just marking in the time frame. We could watch the previous Monday videos to see how I mark. And in dash 4 we can see that we have a breakout structure here. It's really bullish. We have here, this has been taken as an order block. We have another break of structure here. It's clearly bullish. It can react from the all-time high. Is this the all-time high? That's the next question. Oh yes, it is an all-time high. Can we expect a reaction? Of course we can expect a reaction. Do we take the trade? Definitely not. That's the crux of it. He definitely will not take the trade. Simple as that. We have this break of structure. The whole trend is bullish. We have this M15 down here, and in H1 we can say that it is clearly bullish. So we mark again. What do we mark? Oops. It's a green one. It's bullish. 50 minutes also it is bullish. We don't care about any of this stuff. So we can see that this has been the liquidity which made the price to go up. This has been an inducement. The price has been up, took the liquidity from the up. We need a strong reaction to the downside to even consider this as a short. But we don't consider that as in H1. Okay, so this Asia high has been taken out. This we can see in the lower time frame in the M5 what has been happened. This has been a whole place where we have this pool of liquidity which acted as a order block. It has been mitigated. So the last place where it took the support is here, took here, went a great movement. This The only issue is that did it take the liquidity? No. Did it take the order block? Yeah, so it's not a very good place. Now we are in a pickle. Now, what is the pickle we are in? Simple. It can support here, price can support from here and go up. And before that, let me share this video in my X platform. And today, yeah, this was the, what to say, my TopStep 50K challenge phase. We can see here that it has many views. Oh, 10 engagement. Also, it has been a nice one. And again, now everything has been done with transparency here. I will post day 10 London live TopStep 50K challenge. Oh yeah. So the people who wants to your post option, you have 1 hour to make the edits. Yeah, I have the premium version. I have the blue tick, which is kind of a cool. Always wanted one. Now I have it, so the people can see it. And yeah. Okay. Just wanted to check. Okay, now let's see what would happen here. This is a good place to go long, but at the same time in 15 minutes we don't see that. Yeah, I need to change my thumbnail here. My thumbnail was wrong. I need to edit that. This is not my thumbnail. Change. So as of now, I'm changing my thumbnail to day 10 live trading. Oh yes, because I'm thinking, yeah, that's cool. So let's get started again. We can go for long since it is bullish, and let's see in the 1 minute do we have that here. So we can see here that now the point is, the issue which we have for going long is this has not taken the liquidity. Okay, this has not taken the liquidity. Now if that does not take the liquidity, which means that, yeah, this can be act as an SMT here, to be honest. So if I want to go long, I would not go for long here. I would wait for the price to come somewhere here, and the push which we got here is ridiculous. All these things which we have taken, it has been completely taken out, and this can be considered as an OB. Yeah, but our whole trend is bullish, so we cannot go for, but I want to go for short. And you can see here it's clearly have a strong, so I can give you the narration for both buys and sells here. So if you want to go for buy, yeah, it's a good place to go buy. Reason being, it's in bullish trend, it's an all-time high, the price is going up. What else do we have? 15 minutes H1, H4, everything is bullish. This has been the last place where the price came, and yeah, definitely we can look for buys here. At least 1:1 we can get. I'm okay with this here. We need to, so what are the conditions which we need to have? So in order for this to be long, we need to have this movement, and we need to have a break of structure. We need to have a proper break of structure to the upside in order for it to have to go for long. Put this as the SL 1:2 easily. That's one way of looking, but honestly this is for the buy buys. Okay, now for the short buys, token the Asia high, all-time high, we can expect some reaction because it's almost reaching our Well, let's say, see here, see, it's almost here. 3500 is the place, 3478. So definitely it can bounce back from here. That's one way of looking at in H4. So that is thing. So this has taken this Asia high liquidity all time near the all time high. We can expect a down movement. That's one thing. And I'm choosing the M2 rather than M1, being I can see that in gold it's very much respecting M2 rather than M1. We don't have a buy bias yet. If we have a buy bias, we need this high to be taken. Then we can go for long here, stop loss here. That's it. 1:2 after this entry break of structure. Yeah, that's that. And let's see what's our EURUSD telling. Yeah, let's see what Euro is telling. Yeah, Euro has already been in high. Let's see what's H1 it is telling. It has created a movement, but it has not been that strong. Now we want the price to come down here and go for the long would be the ideal trade. Okay, let's wait and see. Yeah, that's that. 50 minutes. If we are also not getting any break of structure to the downside to go for consider even short. Similarly here, yeah, it's just showing strong downwards, and I believe this can act as an SMT, but again we don't get 50 minutes time frame saying that we want to go short, so definitely we are not doing that. Now the price is coming to pick up these liquidities. One scenario which we can do is we can go low short by taking this liquidity, getting some retracement, and we could go for short. That's one scenario. And the other scenario in euro, yeah, it's similarly the same case, so it's good. Euro USD. Now let's check for crude. What's crude doing? Again, like always, go with the weekly time frame first. Weekly time frame. What's our weekly saying? Weekly, it's been completely bearish. Came up, took the reaction. This high got respected. Yeah, whatever. This high got respected, and we still have a break of structure. This FEG is in the weekly. It's still consolidating. Its whole trend is downwards. Created an internal break of structure to the upside. That's that. In H4, let's see. H4, we have this strong downwards movement. It's internally it is bullish. Whole way daily is also it is bullish. This is the external range for the daily. These two are the main external range. Came down, create a breakout structure to the upside. Came back, retracement, giving a strong reaction to the upside. That's that. Now let's go to the H1 and play it out. We don't need that. So we are not heavily dependent upon the previous day's data. We look at though, we have this breakout structure, same thing only like we have discussed before. Came here when took this all liquidity, gave a reaction, a strong reaction, took this liquidity from here. This was the last place. Yeah, the price has given movement to the upside. Now we need to be in line with that, and this can be now for this is our drawn liquidity where the price wants to go and touch it. All this liquidity, this was a good place to go along. Came here, we got a strong reaction, came down in M15, took this liquidity, shot up, confirming the break of structure to the 15 minutes upside, went up. Now the problem what people does is they think that this is a good place to go short. It can be a good place to go short, maybe scalping short. Now what happened? This took the liquidity down here, create a strong. I would look for buys in this section. For this, I'll mark. Do we have? Let us see. This for buys, right? We'll put it buy in CL. Confirmation in M2. Okay, so we can see here that this is a bullish scenario here in crude. We have a EURUSD scenario. Yeah, it has taken the touch the FEG in 15 minutes. Now let's see what will happen. Now this can be a movement or not, is because this is a good place. I do agree with that. Took the liquidity, gave a breakout structure. This has been an inducement. Beautiful place to go long here. We need to have this breakout structure to the upside. If we have this breakout structure, definitely when the price comes down, we can look for buys. Yeah, we have this breakout structure. Yeah, definitely we can go for buy here. I'm perfectly okay with that. Let me check in the 15 minutes time frame. This is a good place. A 4 block. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, the price is coming back up, down. Okay. Now I'm trying to enter the trade here. Trade. How many pips? 4 pips. My risk would be like 250. So 6 lot. 6 lot buy. Oh yes, we bought it. And our stop loss is this. Oh my god. It's okay. We could have gotten a better entry. Our stop loss is this. Yeah, we are not greedy, by the way. We will book it here. Profit. Modify. This is the first trade of the month. Still bullish. Our entry criteria set. SMT to the upside. Yeah, it's a good trade. And we will move SL to break even here. Okay, that's good. Now we will post it in our Twitter. What do you call this? Trade 371. Trade 371. EURUSD long. It's a beautiful trade. I'm agreeing with it. Reason being bullish. Confirmed bullish. A mitigation, not a breakout. Good place to go long. Oh yes, I'm happy with the trade. So let us see and wait. And in gold, what is happening? In gold, I took the liquidity. Yeah, these are the places. Now we need the price to show great bullish moments to the upside. I told you this was an SMT. We could have gone for shorts. Yeah, if we had real balls, you could have gone short here. But I don't have got that real balls yet. Okay, we are in the movement. Look at me, are all keeping it real, dude. We are mostly trading in. Yeah, we could go for long here. Do we really think so? Yeah, we can look for E6, where is it 6E? I hate it when I wanted make a 6E. This is the price. Let's put like 10. God damn it. Create limit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, we can go for 5 lot. 5 buy.
Order filled.
Yes. We have an entry here. Our risk could be like. Let us see. Again, we are always conservative. We are definitely not greedy or anything. I can expect the price to come up and shoot. This is a good trade. We will move the SL somewhere if it touches here. Or we already marked it, right? This is our entry price. Again, the place which we are in is a critical place where it can go down also. That's the beauty of this place. It's a crucial place. It can go down immediately. Yeah, I do reconcile that. Let us see, guys. I am not a predictor or anything like that. I wait, I see the stuff. I don't know where the price will go next. As the next person, I just know that my system works. I'll wait for the happenings. That's it. If it works, it works. If it does not, it does not. That's it. Yeah, the price is starting to move. I am perfectly happy with this. Let us see how much is our profit. Okay, 62. The whole trend is bullish. People might be like scared to go short. Yeah, it works. Okay, now the price can shoot up from now. It has taken confirm the breakout. I could enter here also, so it's a good place. Let us see what will happen. And if you have any questions or doubts or any clarification which you need, I can clarify it. And if you need to go through any scripts also, I can do that because I'm already in the trade. And yeah, please put in the comment if you have anything. And there he goes. Let us see. Let us wait and see what will happen to the price. The sad thing is that it's a good place to go short also now. Confirm the liquidity. Tuck, 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 tuck. But I go with the whole trend which is in the bias 50 minutes. Yeah man, it's a good place. Kind of reversal. Confirm bias. Yeah, it's everything is good. I'm just checking always whether I made a mistake or not. I always do that, whether I have followed my process to the T or not. If it has not, I will exit the trade right now. But it seems that I did follow the rules and it's a very good place. So let's see. It seems that. Okay, the price is starting to move up. Okay, the price is shooting up. Okay, I think now the price might come down strong. Or this may be the last place where the sellers get active and they get cheated and shoots up. As a trader, we do not know what the market is going to do next. We just participate and make sure our edges are aligned so that we could get more money. That's it. Let's see, half an hour has lapsed. It has given a good correction. Of course, it can start its own journey now. So let us see. Okay, it's done. I think it's done. We won't have any recovery from this. Yeah, I think the trade is done. I don't think it has the ability for it to go down anymore to $50 in loss. Yeah, it's done.
Order filled.
That is that. What about my other order? Yeah, it's also filled. Yeah, it's sad. So let me update it. Euro USD. First trade of the month. Loss. No problem. It happens. Trade loss. -1%. Let me put that also. Did I put that? Yeah, it's. Yeah, the gold has taken the liquidity, but showing clear bearishness. Yeah, now one thing which would make me Yeah, so the price has given a good movement to the downside. Mm, Euro also has given. So, like I mentioned here, this was a good place. We could go short also if we have went here, because it's, yeah, we could have definitely gone for short with this high as, yeah. But anyway, we are definitely going with the trend. So as long as we follow the process, and yeah, it will just repay. We learned lesson, so it's good. It's good. I'm perfectly fine with that. Yeah, this was the place. Now we can look for the shots in this region also, but the question is, do we really need to go for shots since it is bullish? So we don't need to go for shots. Hmm. Now, the now only place where will I go long is after we see this break of structure. That's it. In the M15, otherwise I will not go for that. In gold, yeah, gold. This liquidity has been taken here, but it's a strong movement to the downside, man. Taken this low. This was a good place. Taken this low. I have entry confirmation down here. It shows 50 minutes break of structure. We can look for, let's see, at least until this we don't need to go for buys. What's crude saying? Yeah, crude we marked in initially for this place to come down and hit, but yeah, it did not happen, so we are not going anywhere with that. Yeah, we can't do anything about that. Crude is still in bullish. The question is this: H1 we have a bullishness, sorry, bearishness. If we can create a moment where the price shows that it can go down, then we could go for that. Yeah, this was real shit, man. Yeah, we can enter another trade here. This is a good place again. The same scenarios. Yeah, let's go with 9. Still 5 would be 280. It would be good. But the issue is that if we mess this up, then it's not a good idea. Nor is the price showing that it wants to go up. Now, next time onwards, I won't consider this as a good place to go long. That's it. Okay, so we need to learn the lesson from here, right? So, what is the lesson? Do not consider this as a break of structure for entry. INST. Instead use this. Simple as that. Now what we do is we learn this lesson, we download the image. Okay, so we learned that this loss has taught us that we would not consider this again. Same thing. Yeah, we can. I think we can consider this 5, but I'm going with the here.
Order filled.
Same thing, we can enter here. Entered here. It's a little bit impulsive entry, I would say. Entered here. It's an impulsive entry. Trade 372 USD long. I'm arrogant on this trade. I need 1:3. I don't be an asshole. So let's get it to 1:2. And 300. Yeah. We'll move the price to here. This would be a result to break even. Yeah, let's do that. What the hell? Not here, dude. About this 13375. Oh, did not get the coordinates correct. Oh yes, we'll create this. I'm fine with this. 255. 255. Fine. Release 305. 305. At least 1:1. Yeah, definitely. Exactly 1:1. 1:2. Yes. If this trade fails, I am done for the day. I won't be taking trade anything in the future. I'll be only trading in the Forex maybe. But this would be the last trade for this session. That's confirmed if it is a loss. That break of structure that did was not good, man. Yeah. Kicked my ass with that. Still the same criteria as with proper confirmation I took the entry. That's it. Still it can go down from here. Okay. Only one good thing is that it took the the inducement. Yeah. Yeah, let's see what would happen. We can expect honestly a good movement, but yeah. Okay, the price is shooting up. Oh yes. Okay. Let's be arrogant. price to break even. That's it. What we tell to ourselves is good. Let us see. SL2 break even. Let the we don't care whether the price moves or not. So yeah, SL2 break even. That's it. What's this? Do you like this feature? Yes. Not now. Where's the feedback? Okay, cool. Yeah, definitely it will touch here. I can add the quantity here, but then that would make that would be a big mistake. So let it be. So I'm not looking anything here, and that's it done. Okay, the price has given enough movement. Now let's see whether we will get 1 is to. Oh man, that just fell down bad. That is not good. Our stop loss is perfect, so we don't need to think that much. But still, yeah, it's not on our side. This game, it's done. I would not expect the price to come back up or anything. That would be a real stupid thing. So, yeah,
Order filled.
yeah, it's done. I will update it. SL hit that break even 0% PNL. That's good. Yeah, but yeah, it's okay. In my opinion, I would still go for short, man. But I am not looking for this one again. Took the liquidity. Like I said, we will not look for this as a good break of structure. But the momentum it just came. Yeah, now we want the price to come down. Okay, but this we can consider as a break of structure. Yes, now we want the price to come down. Create a break of structure. We'll enter here. This would be our target 1 is to 2. This is our idea. Let's wait and see. Okay, now let us see. Yeah, we really want to go short, but our whole trend says otherwise. Not to go short. So we won't go for short. Simple as that. Let's say that this mark as induction complete. Now we want the price to work from here to get the buys, and then we take a trade. That's it. Okay, it's showing the price does not want to come down. Okay. Yeah, the gold. When that create a breakout structure, yeah, we can go for long here. If we get this breakout structure again, we can go for long. It is what it is. Let us see whether it has the ability to break it up or not. I'll be back soon. So we'll be waiting for the price to see what happens, and let us see. I'll be on mute and let's keep watching. Hi guys, we are back. Now the price has shown that it can move up. If we want, we can go for long. Yeah, I'm not touching any more gold at all. Let's go with MGC. Yeah, it's like what? 7 pip MGC 7. Let's buy.
Order filled.
That's it. Yeah, we are just risking our same stuff. And MGC. Yeah, our initial trade was here. It just took respected, and I think it can still shoot up. That's a good one. Still, if you want to go for gold, it would be like 5, 6, 7 pips. 7 pip, 200, 3 lot. Somewhere around here. This would be our stop loss. Okay, and our target. $171. I can't modify it. Do we have any internet issues? I don't know. The price is also not moving. Let us see, do we have any issues with that? No, we don't have it. Yes, we have set our target for it. Let's see what is going to happen in gold. Yeah, that's it. Initially our trade idea is bullish, and yeah, let us see what happens. It's all, we just keep waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. That's it. Yeah, the price can move up, but let's see what happens. hmm Yeah, we've been streaming for like around 1.5 hours. Slightly negative, but yeah, it can change anytime soon. Let's see. Yeah, the euro is trying to go up. This means that if it should have been inducement, then it should have already broken up, but it does not do that. So we can have a good chance that it can go up since the trend is in our side. Yeah, this can be a good one. Yeah, it's perfect. But let's see what happens. Okay, the euro is starting to go up, and we be on the right side. That's it. Okay. So we have two trades available, one in the euro, another in the gold also. Okay. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I'm expecting a good price movement, and yeah, so as of now, my mindset is completely clear. We are not making any. We are making good trades. Initial trade was okay, missed it because of the lack of entry, but good entry criteria to be honest. But this one is good.
അവിടെ പോയി
എന്നിട്ട്
പറഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ല.
അയ്യോ
എന്നിട്ട് അവിടെ
പാമ്പേബി.
എഴുതി വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട് മോർത്തായിട്ട് 10 മണി തൊട്ട് 1 മണി വരെ ഉണ്ട്. എന്നിട്ട് ആരുമില്ല അവിടെ. ഞാൻ വിളിച്ചു നോക്കി എന്നിട്ടും പിക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. അപ്പൊ പിന്നെ ആരും ഇല്ലെന്ന് മനസ്സിലായി.
നമ്മള് പൊട്ടനായില്ലേ?
താഴെ എഴുതി കൂടി വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. അമ്മാര് തുറന്നിട്ടില്ല.
എന്താണ് ബേബി ഇതിൻ്റെ കാണാൻ കുതിയ വന്നു ബേബി? ഞാൻ റിയലി മിസ് കാര്യം പറയട്ടെ. ഐ ബിലോങ് വിത്ത് യു. നമുക്ക് ഒരു മൈൻഡും ഇല്ലാത്ത നോക്കിക്കോ. ഇന്നൊരു റെസിപ്രോക്കേഷൻ ഒന്നും ഇല്ല. ശരിയല്ല, ഞാൻ ഒന്നും പറയുന്നില്ല. അത്ര തന്നെ.
Good that you know that. ജിമ്മിൽ പോയി
എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു?
4 എക്സസൈസ് ചെയ്തു.
ഏതിനാ ഇത്?
ടെസ്റ്റിന്റെ
ജസ്റ്റ് ചേച്ചി
ആടിപ്പാടി 1 മണിക്കൂർ കൊണ്ട് 4
ഞാൻ തൊട്ടിട്ട് തുടങ്ങുമോ? എൻ്റെ വർക്കൗട്ട് തുടങ്ങാൻ പോവാം. കുറച്ച് ഞാൻ ചെയ്ത് തുടങ്ങും. ഞാൻ അന്നില്ലേ രാവിലെ ഒരു പുട്ട് കഴിച്ചു. ഭക്ഷണം കഴിച്ചപ്പോൾ മധുരം കഴിക്കാൻ ആഗ്രഹം. വീട്ടിൽ ലഡ്ഡു ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഞാൻ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? പകുതി ലഡ്ഡു കഴിച്ചു. എന്നിട്ട് ഉച്ചയ്ക്ക് ചോറുണ്ടായിഞ്ഞിട്ടപ്പോൾ അടുത്ത പകുതി ലഡ്ഡു. മനസ്സിലായോ? ലഡ്ഡു കഴിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്, പക്ഷേ കൺട്രോൾ ചെയ്തിട്ട്. ഞാൻ പാലിക്കുന്ന വെച്ചാൽ കുറച്ച് കഴിച്ചാൽ കുറേ കാലം കഴിക്കാം. അതെൻ്റെ ഒരു നാക്ക്. ഇങ്ങനെ നമുക്ക് കുറേ കാലം കഴിക്കണം, അല്ലാണ്ട് കുറച്ച് കാലം കഴിച്ചാൽ പോരല്ലോ. കുറേ കഴിച്ചാൽ കുറച്ച് കാലം കഴിക്കും. നമുക്ക് പെർഫെക്റ്റ് ആക്കാം. അയ്യോ, ഇത് ലൈവാണല്ലോ. Okay, the price is starting to move. Okay, the gold has given the moment. Beautiful. Let me book the profit if I haven't already done it, or I'll at least place it in the stop loss into my entry. Okay, that's good. That's good. EURUSD has given the moment which we want. Okay, we need slight more movement and we'll be getting 1:2 error. Okay, entry was little late. Fine. Okay, now we expect the gold to shoot up. Dude, why are you not going up? Let's see whether the gold will hold it up. Or we can reduce the risk and let it be there. It's okay. Yeah, the gold is not going up, dude. The gold is not going up. Let me at least. Nah. Let it hit 1:2 if it wants. Yeah. Man, why this gold is not moving? Where is my stop loss kept? Okay, my stop loss is here. This is where my sell is. Okay. Price came up, took this low. What is the 15 minutes saying? What is 15 minutes saying? Yeah, 15 minutes saying that it does not want to come up. I am just going reverse, dude. I'm going. I am in agony. Anyway, for the London session, right? Yeah, I'm exiting it.
Order filled.
And I'm going in reverse. 8 limit for 8. Yeah.
Order filled.
300 or let 266. This would be the last, right? I put it and I am done, guys. It's more than 2 hours of trading, and yeah, like if it happens, it happens. Okay, so that's it, and have a nice day.